Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students and scholars, teachers and trainers, professors and professionals, listeners and learners. Those who are listening, watching from the field of science, arts, commerce and engineering, the most honorable President President Modi ji, respected ministers and doctors, honorable advocates, advertisers, administrators and advisors, reverend fathers and mothers, affectionate sons and daughters. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, heartily, cordially welcome all of you. It is nice time, nice place, nice action. We are appreciating, admiring, praising our Indian educational system, how it is becoming advanced day by day, what changes are being required in the schools, colleges and universities for making our learners or scholars creative, generative and cooperative. Today, in this month of July, in the beginning of this session, everyone is doing something new. In that series, how we can pick up the standard of our education. Actually, our Indian teaching standard is really remarkable, outstanding throughout the world. In the different universities and colleges, our scholars are learning through online programs, social media, Facebook, Instagram, Google. It has become their routine. Thereby, they cannot become the true learners. Yes, it is well and good if they are investing their time in watching such programs online, but more important thing is to create something new that can be pictured, stored and recorded as the history of our scholars and youngsters. We are investing our time to do something different. Our God or Lord who has created this world, universally we are made to create, generate, operate by being starter, beginner and initiator. Our Indian land is known as the land of multi-dimensional personalities, multi-sided personalities, multifaceted personalities. So let us take the lesson from our spiritual, natural elements by which our human body is made. We respect our holy motherland as a mother. We respect water as our father. We respect the air as our teacher. So all the natural elements and objects universally that we have around us are really help us, heal us, teach us, treat us and even guide us. So let us be friendly and familiar with the environment, atmosphere, natural surroundings. Our holy motherland, which is known by the land of starters, beginners in the field of education, religion, cultures, civilization, customs, rituals, traditionally and conventionally, We have learnt a lot from our universal bodies. The sun, the moon, the stars, these are the families of the universe. This is the family of universe. Likely that God has created unities in diversities. There are adversities, diversities, varieties in the universe. In our human body, when we go in deep, we find that it has its own personal function. What a surprising and amazing body God had created in His own form. How we can appreciate it? Words fall short in praise of such things. Geographically, economically, politically, through the different branches, different streams, we study varieties, adversities, but there is unity. Likely that how God has created inside the human body waterways, like roadways, airways, all kind of ways we observe in the human body. And every word that we read in the language that make us able to put the answer. Actually, every question indirectly is the answer. When we speak correctly, accurately and naturally, then we understand the truth of our language, literature and grammar. Our words and sentences makes us able to understand the actualities of the language. Our learners, scholars, those who are doing B.Ed, M.Ed, JVT, STC from the professional point of view, how they can improve their standard of writing, let us discuss on it. Providing triggers for writing, brainstorming. Brainstorming is an informal way of generating topics to write about or points to make about the topic. Brainstorming is a method which students can use to generate ideas for writing purpose. The stage of brainstorming is also known as free writing. The writer brainstorms to generate ideas for writing. He plans for writing. He decides the type of writing and audience. He determines the purpose of writing. He decides how to present ideas in logical order. Brainstorming can help the writer choose a topic and approach to a topic or deepen his understanding of topics potential. Whether writer is starting with too much information or not enough, brainstorming can help him to put a new writing task in motion or revive a project that hasn't reached completion. Some of the advantages of brainstorming are that the technique of brainstorming is not a complicated one. It is a fast, easy way to come up with great ideas and solutions to problems. Brainstorming a box for writing and organizing a piece of writing is an important step in the planning stage of the writing process. There are a number of brainstorming techniques that can help students decide on what to write, help them to organize their arguments and guide their planning process. Remember, it is important to provide brainstorming techniques that address the diverse learning styles and experiences of students. Dear friends, your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable. The rest of the topics we will discuss later on. Thank you. Nice to see all of you.